Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durud Islam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, mathematics exercise 13b, new syllabus mathematics D3 for A level, O level students. And question number 10, there is a circle with center O and AC and AB are the tangents at points C and B, and angle AOD is of 122 degree, and we have to find the measurement of angle BAC. I mean to say we have to find this angle. Students, look at the figure. There are two triangles, triangle AOB, and this angle is of right angle because OB is radial segment and AB is tangent. Both are intersecting each other at point B, so it is right angle, as well as angle C is right angle. Now students, triangle ACO and ABO both are congruent because OB and OA. So students, OB and OC are congruent because radii of same circle. Angle B and angle C are congruent, and OA is common. So hypotenuse side is congruent to hypotenuse side. Both triangles are congruent. And if we will find the value of angle OAC, then we will multiply angle OAC with 2, and that will be the measurement of angle BAC. And first we will find the value of AOC, as COD is diameter. So angle AOC and angle AOD will be equal to 180 degree because supplementary angle. So first we will find the value of this angle, and I name this angle as angle X. So first we will find the value of X, and it is written as angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree, और आप रीजन लिख सकते हैं इसके जी सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल on straight lines. So angle AOC is of X degree plus angle AOD is 122 degree is equal to 180 degree. Students, we will transfer this 122 to other side and it will become minus. So X will be 180 degree minus 122 degree, and that will be 58 degree, and it is the value of X. Now students, we will find the value of angle OAC, and we will name it as angle A. This angle will also be A. Now we will find the value of angle A, and it is written in triangle OAC angle X plus A plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree, and reason is sum of angles in triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree, and the value of angle X is 58 degrees. So in place of angle X we will write 58 degree. 58 degree plus A we have to find plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Students, sum of 58 and 90, and we will have 148. So A plus 148 degree is equal to 180 degree. Transfer this 148 to other side and it will become minus. So A will be 180 degree minus 148 degree, and that will be 32 degree. And angle BAC we have to find. So angle BAC is equal to A plus A, and that is 32 degree plus 32 degree, and that is 64 degree, and that we have to find. Students, question number 11. There is a circle with center O. BT and AT are the tangents, whereas OB and OA are the radial segment, and angle AOT is 51 degree, and we have to find angle OAB. Students, keep in mind triangle OAT and OBT are congruent because OA and OB are the radial segment, and angle A is congruent to angle B in this triangle, and both are right angle, and OT is common. So triangle OAT is congruent to triangle OBT. So students, if these two triangles are congruent, then angle TOA and TOB will be congruent. So angle TOA is congruent to angle TOB. So angle TOA is 51 degree. So it is angle TOB will also be 51 degree. Now students, we will discuss triangle AOB, in which OA and OB are congruent. So their opposite angles will also be congruent, and ignore this side OG, and it will be a triangle AOB. Now I will write in triangle OAB, OA is congruent to OB, radii of same circle, So angle OAB will be congruent to angle OBA, and I have supposed that this angle is X and this will also be X. Now students, sum of angles in a triangle, is equal to 180 degree. So students, X plus 51 degree plus 51 degree will be 180 degree. In fact, now I am discussing triangle OAB, in which this angle is X and this will also be X, and this angle is 102 degree because both are 51 and 51 angle. So students, 2x plus 102 degree is equal to 180 degree, and 102 is plus. When we transfer it to the other side, it will become minus, and 2x will be equal to 180 degree minus 102 degree, that is 78 degree, and 2 is multiplying on left side. When we transfer it to the side, it will divide, so the value of x will become 39 degree. Now students, we have to find the value of angle BAT. So angle BAT will be equal to angle BAT will be equal to 90 degree minus 39 degree, and that will be 51 degree. That we have to find. Students, question number 12 of the same exercise. There are two concentric circles with center O, and the radius of outer circle is 25.5 centimeter, and the radius of inner circle is 12 centimeter, and the tangent of inner circle touch the external circle at point H and K, and we have to find the length of HK. Students, OM is the radial segment and HK is tangent of inner circle, so angle OMH will be right angle. And first we will find the value of HM, and then we will multiply that value with 2, and that will be the length of HK. So triangle OMH is right angle triangle. First we will write it as triangle OMH is right angled triangle. So students, in this triangle we will apply Pythagoras theorem. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square, and hypotenuse is 25.5 square, perpendicular is 12 square, and base HM we have to find. Now students, first we will find the square of 25.5, and that is 650.25. 650.25 and the square of 12 is 144 plus hm square. Hm we have to find. 144 is plus on right side. When we transfer it to the other side, it will become minus and written as 650.25 minus 144 is equal to hm square. Now students, subtract 144 from 650.25 and we will have 506.25 is equal to hm square. We have to find the value of hm, so we will take square root on both sides, and square root of 506.25 is 22.5. So it is 22.5 is equal to hm by taking square root on both sides, and we have to find the value of hk. So hk is 2 into hm and the value of hm is 22.5 centimeter. So 2 into 22.5 centimeter and that is 45 centimeter. So the value of hk is 45 centimeter. So students, it's enough for today. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time and have a good day.